Good morning, everybody. Happy Easter. Hope you all had a great long weekend. And let's review today. Markets are open and they're all red. You can see Nasdaq is red, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Russell. Bitcoin and gold are, however, green. So you can see gold is also hitting a new all-time high above 3,400. Unbelievable run. There was a news over the weekend that China is buying, I don't know, so many tons of gold, 60, 70 tons of gold. So I think they just keep buying physical gold. So it's really helping gold to move. So let's review how things are going, guys. So let's start with Nasdaq. We're in the buy zone, all right? So we're in the green zone right now this morning around 8:30 a.m. Eastern. You can see we touched the buy zone on Wednesday, had a bounce, and again we are here. You don't want to be shorting here. You want to be buying. So opening we will be open on a gap down. So you can see QQQ will be open on a gap down. You can see nice gap here. So probably they're going to start filling that gap. So nice option to buy calls. Probably they're going to start filling these gaps. And also I will show you on daily chart. Let me go to here. NDX maybe. So you can see Nasdaq already had a gap, which it was gap down on Wednesday, 16th April, still not filled. If you go to QQQ, same thing here. That gap is on 457 and they are still going lower, opening on a gap down. So probably they're going to fill this gap. Like you can go to 1 hour chart and you can see here market closed here. So around 444. So they're going to start filling that gap towards market open. So it's going to be good if you're a day trader. Good to kind of go and buy some calls in the morning. Same thing with S&P 500. Dow Jones also same thing, and then Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is a bit stronger than other indices. Bitcoin is already in the sell zone, so should be looking to take profits. Massive run up here. Ethereum is following Bitcoin, and let's go and look at some other charts. This is point of control chart on S&P 500. You can see where we are right now. We are now developing a point of control here around 52.73. Let's say 52.75. So probably they're going to go back, regain that control, and then market will decide either they're going to go up to around 5300 or they're going to go down to around 49.99. So again, we'll see if there's any good news comes out of China, any resolution of trade war that's going to help this go higher, else it's going to go lower. All right, so let's go to daily chart and see how things are looking there. Let's go to here, cycle chart on SPX. You can see we were looking for a bottom here. So maybe let's see if this is the bottom. We had a bottom a little bit earlier here. We try to rally, then break down again. And now this is a cycle is saying we could be getting a bottom here. Let's see if this is a higher low before we go higher. Like structurally, this is live market. Still, we could, if I go to 1 hour chart, 1 hour is not telling anything, but on daily chart you can see still this could still be a higher low if we can pick up from here and start filling some of these gaps. Okay, so maybe this is a starting of a new uptrend, but it really needs to hold here and then bounce. Same thing with Nasdaq. You have to do the same thing. I showed you already gaps on Nasdaq. You can see all these gaps to fill. One other thing I want to show on SPX, all these other gaps which will eventually fill. Actually, I want to see weekly chart on MES and let's see how things are going. We got a 9 count SPY signal, so it's very important now after this 9 count SPY signal that we keep continuing the uptrend. This is SPX and we had 8 counts here. We kept going higher. I'm just looking as we're talking 8 counts here, by here, and let's see where else we got these weekly. You can see 8 count, 9 counts here. Okay, so this is very interesting. This is in 2016. Okay, so we went higher, got 9 count SPY signal, came back, made a double bottom, and then went higher. So that's also possible. So keep that in mind. Okay, so we could make double bottom and retest the previous lows. Apart from that, here we got 8 counts and rally. So usually it's a very good indication that we are clear near bottom, but this was a big bear market in 2007. Got 9 counts, failed, got 9 counts, failed, and again we failed. So again, so let's see which way it's gonna go, but it's a good indication regardless. All right, so let's go to Dow Jones. Dow Jones is a bit weaker, mainly due to UNH. This is the earnings. UNH earnings was really bad. Massive gap down after earnings, and Again, this is a biggest component of Dow Jones, so it's kind of dragging it down. Russell 2000 holding actually better than other indices, so just consolidating. Bitcoin, you can see the breakout here. Finally, inverse head and shoulder here. You can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and breaking out. Okay. Now, this I released a short video over the weekend, and this thing broke out right after that. If you want to do a measure move of this, I think at minimum we are going now higher to 96, 97,000 area. Okay, this is the area. This is where previous resistance is here. You can draw a rectangle here. You can see here. This is where it looks like it wants to go. We'll see when we reach the Ethereum. Just gonna follow eventually. So nice moves from Bitcoin here also on CME futures breaking above all moving average. So finally, Bitcoin is trying to go ahead and lead, and this could be a sign that we are now starting the pump. Apple also weak. Not sure what news. There might be some news coming. People are cutting target on Apple, so we'll see what happens. Netflix after nice earnings, but usually it was up like almost 5% at some point, but now only up 2%. Let's see if it can keep going higher. Maybe it will have a gap fill over the at market open and then keep continuing higher. Other than that, all stocks are pretty down, so you can just choose whatever you like. It's pretty good time to buy for long-term hold. NVDA down again 3%, probably trying to fill this gap around 96.61, and then it's going to pick up after that. AVGO also has a gap here around 157, so keep that in mind. Tesla is also down almost 4%. Probably they're looking to fill this gap again around 222, okay? And then maybe it's going to start rally. Earnings, I think tomorrow, end of day, so keep that in mind. Bond market, again, weak. Maybe it will do double bottom. Trump will get some attention and it's going to pick up. We'll see how it goes. Hang Seng Index had a bounce and it's failing now. Could be a dead cat bounce. Let's see if it can come and fill this gap around 18K. We'll wait and watch. Commodities, US oil is back testing this broken support. Now coming as a resistance. Natural gas probably looks like it wants to go fill this gap around 3.08. Gold just extremely bullish. 7 count sell signal. Okay, so look to take profits here. Okay, so we could get some pullback. You can see every time we get the 789, we get pullback. So look to take pullback. If there is some news coming about China and US settling down, then this is gonna make gold go lower. This is sugar in the buy zone here. Copper also looking like it wants to recover. Wheat also looking nice out above this trend line here. Corn consolidating above all moving averages. Dollar, new lows in dollar. Okay, so this resistance is not holding now. Now dollar is going new low. Next support we have to find, and which is probably going to be here somewhere, this area here. So dollar is really crushing in front of other commodities. So interesting what's going on. So we'll see. Other than that, all the other stocks are nice. Well, I won't say nice, like good time to buy, I would say. AMD also around below 90 right now, 85. So these are all good stocks to buy, in my opinion, for the long-term hold. You can pick and choose whatever you like. I don't need to go individual stocks because all of them are really nice buys right now. In my opinion, UNH is also good buy. MicroStrategy above all moving averages looks like it wants to break out. So this is a nice move, good going for the next leg higher in my opinion. So good time to get into crypto as well. CNQ also had a nice recovery and now again trying to give some of this back this morning. Okay guys, that's it for today. Let's look at VIX. VIX is 7% up. They could go fill this gap. You can see this gap down here happened on 14th of April, so they could try to fill this gap around 737. Let's see if they do that, and that could be it. And then we will be crushing. So maybe we'll get a little pullback for VIX to go higher, and then we bottom, and then VIX goes in 14. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Please hit the like button on your way out. Only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to join my channel, if you want to know these zones, which I share with my subscriber every hour, and it can keep you on the right trade. You can see now it's a time to buy. I share this with my private Discord channel group. Click the link in the description. There's a Discord channel, join it. And if you want to be a premium member, then I share for free. I share on Bitcoin free levels, but premium members get stocks I buy and levels for those. For example, test now, right now, it's a good buy here at market open. All right, take care. Bye.